everyone, if your Windows search bar is not working on your PC, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it on both a Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. So for a Windows 10 PC, on your keyboard, press Windows plus R, then in this space here, type in the following on the screen, then click on OK, and the search bar should be working now. Now for your Windows 11 PC, on the taskbar, right-click and select Task Manager. Then up here, click on Services. Then at the bottom here, select Open Services. Cancel that. And here, look for Windows Search. It's arranged alphabetically, so it should be easy to find. Once you find it, right-click and select Properties. Then under Service Status, select Stop. Then for startup type, change this and make it Disable. Click Apply, then OK. Then cancel everything and restart your system right here. Once you've done that, right-click on the taskbar again and select Task Manager. Head over to Services, then Open Services. Then scroll down to find Windows Search. Right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. Then change the startup type to Automatic, then Apply. Then under Service Status, select Start. Mine started automatically, but if yours doesn't, make sure to start it. Then click on OK. And that's it. Your search bar should be functioning now. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.